We did have a style guide before, but it wasn't hosted in one place. And with the Writer, we've been able to host that style guide within Writer, build it out more, and then everyone in the company can refer to it at any time. So that's been a big help in getting our language consistent across the product. The Writer style guide and suggestions have helped us write quicker, they've helped us edit quicker, and they've helped us onboard new team members quickly without having to refer to different style guides. We serve students across the UK, the US, and Canada, so 3 very different regions. And we have to make sure that we get the spelling and the terminology right across those 3 regions. We set up 3 different teams within Writer, 1 for each region. So if I'm working one day on some UK content, I can use the UK setting in Writer and make sure I'm getting that terminology and that spelling. And then if I'm working on US content the next day, I can switch to the US team and get that spelling and terminology correct as well. For example, the word enrollment or enroll is spelled differently in Canada and the US, and it's hard to remember which one is which. We write to a grade 6 level in Xello to make sure that it's easy for all students to understand. So Writer's been helpful in that as well because we can set the grade level. I'm not having to paste it in different grade level checkers. It's right there in Writer. We've also used the Ask Writer feature to help us with a recent project that ended up being really successful. We have about 630 career profiles in our database. The summary section is about 6 to 7 paragraphs long for each one, explaining what people do in that career. We wanted to create really quick summaries for students so they wouldn't have to read all that content, just a quick paragraph about what the career is all about. We worked with Rachel, our customer success manager, to create a prompt for Ask Writer with really strict parameters, things like make the sentences short and concise, keep it to a reading level a grade 6 student can understand. We had a character count limit, and it really saved us a ton of time on this work. We were able to do all of those 130 plus summaries in about 20 days. And we had originally estimated that without the generative AI, it would have taken about 60 days. So that was a huge time savings for us. It took us about 1/3 of the time to do this project as a whole than it would have taken us without AI.